Draw.io or Diagrams.net review. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at this platform which helps us to create different diagrams. We'll take a look at its features, prices, and also examples of how can we use it to be more productive at your companies, or maybe you would like to use it for yourself. So with the help of this platform, we can easily create different things to visualize. Basically nothing hard, all the interface is quite easy to understand, but for more in-depth tutorial I recommend you to watch my other video. So today we are going to take a look at more like common features. So basically, as you know, with the help of Diagrams.net or Draw.io, basically it's like the same service. We can create different things, we can add like objects, we can customize them, create different conditions, different timetables, and so on. And with the help of these, we can now fill our like things to visualize, to show some processes, to add some things. So let's start from an examples of how can we use it. So let's scroll down, and as you can see, we can use it for our software, networks, engineering, like for different UML schemas, ERD, cloud things, network, and engineering. If we'll like want to use it for our businesses, charts, maps. Now we can also create like flowcharts, something like these, business options. We can do something like this, mind maps, charts, and even more. We can create floor plans, different tables, infographics, wireframes, like van options. So there's a huge options of how and we use Draw.io, and what's really interesting is that we can try to use it completely without paying. So they have like a free trial, like 1 month free trial, which is pretty cool. And if you click on try for free somewhere, for example here, or maybe in some other part of their website, you'll come to this page where now you can easily find all the necessary things to interact with. So in the top of the screen, we'll have the option to add our file name. Also, you can choose the type. As you can see, we have PNG format, SVG, HTML, XML, and also their own format, Draw.io. With the help of this format, you'll be able to share it with other users. Also, we have the option to share our workspace. So if you click on share in the right top, you'll be able to share this board with other people. So you'll be able to interact with it together, which is quite cool. The next line here, like file, if you'll click on it, we can see the option to create a new, open file from somewhere, for example, from Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and so on. We can find our recent files. Also, we can save this file, save as, share, rename. We can make a copy if we want to maybe like try to create some backlogs or something like this. We can import, export, publish it to make it visible for other people, add a new library, and manage some properties, page setup, and we can even print it if it's necessary as for us. The same thing on edit, so we can undo some options, redo, cut, copy, copy as image, find, replace, edit data, and some other things. We can change the view, so format, outline, and so on. Also, you can add the arrange extras, and if you want, you can try to get some help. So what's the interface? It looks really easy to understand. Basically, here we have the options to change our zoom, change our format, zoom in, zoom out, redo or undo some options, delete something. For example, I can choose this element here, I can delete it. So I can also like increase the size or decrease the size with the help of these options here, as you can see. We can fill it with something, for example, with this. Let's try to add. So we added this background here. We can add some other things, for example, manage the outlines, copy something, add the different rules, so add different arrows, other connections. We can add the rectangle, for example, or other things here. And also we can create like timetable or something like this, and it will look like this, nothing hard. In the left side menu, we have the option to interact with different elements. So like general things, like different figures, elements like people and so on. Also some arrows, lines, and other things. On the MISC like folder, we can add different tables, also some other things. On the advanced, we have the option to interact with a different stuff, different figures, and there are a lot of other folders. You can try to see them by yourself. Nothing hard, basically just simply drag and drop the figure. And here on our workspace, what can we do? Basically, we can click on any like element here, and firstly we'll be able to interact with the text inside. So let's try to add hello, for example. Also, we can change the size by simply clicking on the corners. We can manage what's inside. So if you'll click on it, we'll be able to open our properties in the right side. So we can change the background, make it like filled or not, change the line colors, edit some other things, and every single object has its own properties, as you can see. So just simply add and then just manage what's inside. With the text, we can add the font, make it bold, italic, do some other things. And the arrange, of course, we can basically move them according to the layers. So it could be really helpful if you want to add a lot of layers, figures on the one place. So yeah. When everything is done, you can just simply save our file. Let's click on save. And now we have the option to save it like to Google Drive and other things. In my case, I will not save this. So let's try to look at their prices. So I'm going to open another page and let's click on pricing. And here we can find like cloud and data center. And according to the number of users you have, you can change it directly. So from 20 users, we have like $20 per month. For 2,000 users, like price looks like this. And okay, like data center, 500 users, $6 per year. And like 2,000 users, $10,000 per year. Nothing crazy. If you want to use it, you can just simply afford it, buy the subscription, and then just simply use all the things. So hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye, guys.